Yeah, CID friend, Baba Mando, so police CID fan free. Sunyane na bedru hane
West
and
omo custody
leader edi party anim ma yaba minority leader wa ha say honorable Jerry Ahmed MP weja wa ha menshia south MP nso wa ha anti leadership parliament and a party leadership nearby ebe itina umamo honorable Alexander Afenyomakin Osahene any bidding komakaka.
So, just as the national organizer has said, we heard of the arrest of our chairman Abronye and then our brother, the communication officer, all the way from Sunyani. They brought him. We engaged the police, and they've been reasonable. The initial plan was to detain them. We tried to discuss with them the need to at least release them on bail, and eventually the consensus was that I should stand surety. So I have done so. I've executed a bail bond for Chairman Abronye and Baba Amando, the two of them. They've released them. They've set conditions for reporting, and we are thankful to them. We only want to draw the attention of Ghana police and the government to appreciate the fact that in a democracy, there must be some level of tolerance. They've raised some concerns regarding some issues that have come to their attention. I'm sure the legal counsel will take those matters up with our colleagues. But I would also want to urge them to be tolerant, and let's try and manage some of these things without creating a whole media outrage or showing somebody where the power lies. But let me again thank them, the IGP and his CID boss, for accommodating us, listening to us. Looking at the time, they should be closed and gone, but they've cooperated with us. Chairman Abronye was sent into custody. They have brought him back, and then bail has been granted. So,
yeah,
thank you so much.
what were the charges?
No further comment. Thank you very much.
Agenda to weaponize these kind